Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing a clean state. Close Roblox and all background apps that steal CPU or RAM. Then, update both your OS and the Roblox client so drivers and security match. Outdated software often causes freezes. Once done, restart your device and the router to clear network caches and try joining a game. If freezing persists, move on. This eliminates the common simple causes and gives you accurate data for deeper fixes, so make sure to complete each step before continuing. Now you focus on performance tuning. Drop Roblox graphics quality, switch to manual mode, and pick a lower level to reduce CPU and GPU load. Next, close browser tabs and disable overlays which can inject frames and cause stutters. Freeing 1 to 2 GB of RAM stabilizes the game. Update your graphics drivers. This fixes compatibility bugs, and, if needed, try the integrated GPU to see if the discrete card is the culprit. These steps address rendering and resource bottlenecks directly. Finish with network and clean install actions. Flush your DNS and prefer wired Ethernet. If not possible, change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to reduce lookup delays. If problems remain, uninstall Roblox, delete leftover program folders, and reinstall the latest client to remove corrupted files. Once reinstalled, test the same account on another device to isolate account versus machine issues. Troubleshooting tip. If it still freezes,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.